Let's have a look at this story. This is a breaking news coming in that 10 crore worth of cocaine was recovered in Delhi. Another drugs bust in Delhi. This comes just days after a Congress leader is in the radar in a days-old case of drugs bust in Delhi, and another case surfacing from the national capital now. Akhil is joining us from the national capital. Akhil, is this case related to the one that we broke days earlier, where the Congress leader is also accused?
Well, absolutely. This is the same case where that incident happened, when what we saw that approximately drugs worth 5,600 crore was recovered from Mahipalpur area. And if you talk about the consignment, in that consignment, 560 kg of approximately cocaine was recovered. Apart from cocaine, if you see marijuana, 42 kg of marijuana was also recovered from a godown in South Delhi. So what happened, the main accused has been identified as Tushar Goel. Apart from Tushar Goel, if you see, 3 persons have been arrested in connection with the case. And then Delhi police special cell started doing searches across different states, which include Maharashtra as well, because it has Maharashtra connection as well, Punjab connection as well, and UP connection as well. So what has happened today, this is development that we are getting, that today itself, the Delhi police special cell team did an operation in Punjab, and they have recovered drugs, which include cocaine worth 10 crore rupees from Amritsar, one of the villages in Amritsar. So right now, the identification process of the main accused in this case, who was mapped by the police, is still yet to be done, because what we have seen earlier, that there was another person who was linked to the main accused, who has been identified as Tushar Goel, who is the kingpin of this entire drug nexus and entire international drug cartel. His close aide has been identified as Jitendra Singh Aka Jassi. So, based on the inputs shared by Jassi, the Delhi Police Special Cell team today did their investigation in the Amritsar region, and today they have recovered drugs worth 10 crore rupees. Yes, back to you in the studio.
Right, Akhil, thank you so much for that update. We will keep coming back to you and we'll follow up on this story. Moving on, the remarks made by Rahul Gandhi regarding Shivaji Maharaj have sparked significant uproar, leading to widespread outrage among political circles. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has demanded an apology from Rahul Gandhi for what he termed an insult to the legendary king. The controversy continues to escalate as political leaders express their discontent over the comments.
आज राहुल गांधी कोल्हापूरला आले होते, त्यांना देखील छत्रपती शिवरायांची आठवण आली. मी त्यांना एवढंच सांगू इच्छितो, राहुल गांधीजी, छत्रपती शिवरायांवर बोलायचं असेल तर पहिल्यांदा पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरूंनी छत्रपती शिवरायांचा अपमान करणारं पुस्तक लिहिलंय. त्या पुस्तकाबद्दल तमाम शिवप्रेमींची माफी मागा आणि त्यानंतर छत्रपती शिवरायांवर बोलायचा अधिकार तुम्हाला आहे. अरे मोदीजींनी तर आपल्या कारकिर्दीची सुरुवात ही छत्रपती शिवरायांचं नमन करून केलेली आहे, आणि सूरतमध्ये देखील छत्रपती शिवरायांचा पुतळा लावणारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी आहेत.
की लड़ाई, एक विचारधारा जो इसकी रक्षा करती है, समानता की बात करती है, एकता की बात करती है, और वो शिवाजी महाराज की विचारधारा है. और दूसरी विचारधारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को, संविधान को खत्म करने में लगी हुई है. सुबह उठते हैं और प्लानिंग करते हैं कि भैया शिवाजी महाराज का जो विचारधारा का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसे खत्म कैसे किया जाए. हिंदुस्तान की संस्थाओं पर आक्रमण करते हैं, लोगों को डराते हैं, धमकाते हैं, और फिर जाकर शिवाजी महाराज की मूर्ति के सामने मत्था टेकते हैं। इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।